by accident, some chakras will be spontaneously rise, activated, overactivated. It will create tension and IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, and dissociation. Negative entities will come, start to behave differently. So, the wrong awakening of Kundalini may happen different ways by birth. Second, in the womb, the mother is not having good nutritional food. It will affect the Kundalini of the child. So, many people say the autistic syndrome or Down syndrome, the parents may say, normally says, in the fourth age, till fourth age or third age, there was no problem for my child. Means in that time, some kind of chakra activation may happen wrongly. Clear? So, the changes, the normal way of lifestyle is the best medicine. Lots of people are doing meditation. Concentrate continuously to Ajna chakra or heart chakra over here. What is happening? It is activating more. The naturality will go of the body. Then the prana imbalance will happen. Overactivation of the chakras. So, but if there is a deity, it will not create that much of harm, even though some kind of problems will happen. So, overactivation of the deity, in many cases it is creating lots of problems. So, their personality will change, deity, some problems may happen. So, we have to control the power of Agni of the Kundalini through the which is developing through the japa by the help of meditation. Meditation is the one wing of a flight. The other wing of the flight is japa. It should be maintained in a balanced way. It should go. So, remove the first case, we have to remove the negative entities systematically through tantric ways. That is first solution. Secondary, we have to maintain tantric holistic lifestyle through Panchakosha Shudhi, through purification of 5 bodies. It will never end. Till our death, we have to maintain the purity of 5 koshas. For that, we have to practically experience, understand the 5 koshas. Not through the books. Through the observation, we have to understand. This is Annamaya, this is Pranamaya, this is Vijnanamaya, this is Anandamaya. We have to experience. Then only we can purify. How long you experienced this problem? 21 years. Yes. So, this issue happened by 21 years. So, the main problems will go fastly, the other problems will go slowly by the practice. So, if you take a diksha and activate the deity, your brain chemical changes of dopamine, serotonin, these kind of chemical changes will maintain positively. Then only your memory will activate positive memories and you can have the good confidence and you can go in that frequency. Our body is like a hardware. The deities are softwares. Your personality is also a deity. I am Sreedharan. This Sreedharan is a deity, but very less power. There is no compulsory to live with this personality. You can change the software, with exchange your personality with a deity, and you can use that powerful deity and live. It will be a good life. That is the tantric way of concept. If you open the Kundalini strongly, we cannot stop directly. So it will come. So we can take medicines, but it is not a permanent solution. It is external solution. We cannot stop the Kundalini. We cannot sleep. We cannot concentrate. Headache will come. We cannot sleep. Then we cannot stop this, but we can deviate the path through 5 senses. You can do something. You can do it with the 5 senses. Second, where is the energy is turning negatively? You have to find out, and maybe some kind of chakras will be there. Negative vibrational field will be there. In chakras of the path, we have to remove that by healing. Then it is not a permanent solution, 1 or 2 days, but again the problem will come. The permanent solution is remove the negative energy and implant the positive vibrational field. The negative vibrations will turn anti-clockwise, the prana, make turn. The positive vibrations make change the path of Kundalini as clockwise. That kind of positive vibrational field we have to implant, the deities. Then they will change the neurotransmitters and correct the things. It is very, very important. Actually, the karmas are affecting us in the form of negative deities because our awareness will be low. If I want to beat you or destroy you, I cannot do if the feel of same, the feel of I is same, connected. You are same like me. If I am thinking like that, I cannot destroy you or I cannot beat you. So I will not look there. I am looking myself, my interest. Then what will happen? I will continue in the down chakras. But I can feel your feelings as mine. It will be one. Then naturally the feel of I will come to higher chakras. When I will die, I will take birth in that types of higher chakras family. Then my karmas are continuing in the good way. But in down chakras, people are making like love making in the style of doggy style or something. The Muladhara chakra is only connected. This kind of level, the negative atmas, negative karmas will continue. That area, it will take birth in that area. So, in the higher chakras, we have to maintain the connection with the higher chakras. That by the support of deities. That's why I am saying we have to do the sadhana continuously. Plus meditation. In sadhana, we have to check our japa. Mantra japa is impacting in the more higher energy way, or it is more excess energy is producing or not. We have to ensure that. Sometimes we have to decrease the count of japa. Sometimes we have to increase the count of japa. But awareness should always be higher.